Yeah, today I'll be working on my redwood tree, the Seqouia Sempervirens. Please watch the video. Thank you. This is my redwood tree, or Seqouia Sempervirens, or blue aptos redwood. And it's the time of year again for trimming, pruning, or shaping. So here we go. The shears are sharpened and the reading glasses is on. It's really thick now and they're all over. I will start at the top and work my way down. There are branches that are going upwards, so I'm just gonna tie them and tie the other end at a stronger branch at the bottom. Later on in the video, I will show you the details where I tie them so you can see it clearly. I will carefully pull down the branch to tie and make sure that it's tied carefully and securely to the bottom branch. If you will notice, I don't have the expensive turntable, so I have to secure and lock it with my foot. That's why my legs are up, so that I can hold the table and I can tie the cable securely and not moving. But it's alright, it works anyway. Now moving forward to the next branch. This is the back branch that is going up to, so I have to tie it again to the bottom branch. Okay, I think I'm done for now. I'm not gonna do the wiring for the secondary branches. I leave that next time, I think the fall. And here are the details of the wiring. As you can see in the close-up, that I wire it through the bottom branch, which is a bigger and secured branch, and it can pull those upper branches. So here it is, it's done. So, alright, thank you. Thank you guys for watching.